this is an update for my go-kart, and I've just been doing the engine, which I've invented. Well, not invented, but thought of. Anyway, this is a normal drill. It's a dabber drill. It used to be one of my old ones, and this is with 14.4 volt, which is the average speed. Yeah. And this won't be on the go-kart. This will be this is just temporary, this masking tapers. So anyway, this is how fast it will go. And I'll probably do some mods just to be in control. And that's all for today. Been doing. So if you like to have a go, all you have to do is take all the screws out and just take it apart to the end of this, end of that, just like for the two sides. Then just strap it down with some cable ties, and that's it. Drill some holes and it goes quite fast. So anyway, keep watching my videos. It's very nice.